Relax, nothing about fear.
I'm here with Efia. Efia, what's up?
Hello guys, as you know, yes, I'm here with my feet. Respect, if not, I'll give it to you. You know how I do it.
It depends them.
Papa.
I have for no. Did you see that? Wow. Akuapem ma be dru Kumasi. Obe de Kumasi.
Hwe mbetwa sini. So mo se me nyame ye na ekwa. Nyame dede na me ye social media no. E na Tracy ehume. O se Akuapem wanu du badwam. Sa we ba se timi afro wa me so me fro. Hwe stars e we adwuma we so. Enu nti me sorry 4 am fi Accra. Me drive yo. Me drive here. Me slow plane. Timi da me drive here na ba. Me do 9:46 am because of Tracy Buachi adwuma. Na stars na egusu no. Se me se me mba. Na je say my yam ho. Lewin was so, Ajololo was so, Calibos was so, there are some, call them countless. The English is not coming. And me, Akuapem Poloo, I'm privileged to be part. Watch out for a lot more. We are coming like fire.
Watch out for a lot. Akuapem bede o movie mu. Oye Slay Queen. Oye din o mu be je sheki o mu sa na say dey.
Yes, that is what people know. Akuapem Poloo is doing Slay Queen. No, first of all, I'm not a slay queen, I'm a drama queen. And in this movie, no, it's not a slaying. I'm a journalist. So watch out. I'm coming to speak my English that you don't know that I can speak. It depends you.
It depends them. Movie no, mobile start shooting that way.
Oh, watching here started.
How many days was it?
7 days.
7 days on set. Master premiering date. Moving to tight here then.
Oh, baby mama. And as you know, I'm a baby mama. Proud born one. Baby mama. I'm a baby mama. So I'm so privileged to be part of this movie.
I didn't see what you did. What about Born
one.
And of your flats, sir.
Yeah.
Does it mean that you did and answer you train?
It means Nyame Shrame. Nyame born me. How do you define beauty again? This is no makeup. No makeup. Oh. I can even remove my hair. This is Akuapem Poloo. I'm a natural girl. And I'm 30 years. So how do you define beauty again? I love you guys. Keep on supporting me. Kiss, kiss.
I love you too. My name is Ben Kakray. Thank you, Akuapem Poloo. She's very simple. She's a drama queen. I like her very much. Keep supporting Akuapem. Can assemble our competitive viewers. No momente. What can say? But momente sa waha.
Okay. But your mamisha channel be brought for na yen.
Poleeno Multimedia.
Guys, as you know, Rosamond Brown, I don't get myself with fake people. Before you see me on a microphone or in an interview, meaning the people are unique and knows their job. Keep in touch, keep it luck. Keep listening to them all, because if you want to know anything about Poloo, it's there. Keep on supporting them.
That's what Akuapem Poloo has said. Mama Zuma pegna kwai. Bra penny slide the papa. Ya be share no short code. Bra, Emma, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, bro. Yeah.
Bibi aboko there.
Eradia do my number pipe.
Ya be share short code. Minim say e Tracy na do aba hanum say e abade na amobe pu Tracy short code.
Well, thanks so much. I think that Tracy, anytime you be movie, or unveil the title of the movie, or should I press conference. The last time was at Vienna City, but then nyame under Roma na nyame ehriano adrum pepe so we no ono abie short code. Eye ba bia ton san ye aduane kama enti na ha ne be ye no ya aniti na mame ba ya.
One very title no obetimi amahwefo ehu title no.
Well, title no or say Baby Mama. That is the title of the movie, and I happen to be a cast in the movie. Yeah.
Yeah, Brian Cassie, yeah, Brown so the gentleman, and one other so movie.
Yeah, sure. This time around, I think BBC, the lover boy role, yeah, And you know, I don't want to say much about the movie, but movie about Rua Sly a player.
Labena shooting is started.
Started and then Monday, Nyame Adamo Channel Tuesday, and I started. Yeah.
It be how many days was it?
Well, per the press conference, and the senior producer and CEO, no, executive producer Tracy Nadi Tujano, it better take 1 good week. 1 week, that is 7 days. And it will be cherry.
Yeah, the 7 days issue baby mama. Me was a banger about, but once is because the industry no, and yema actually I mean I say a guana and yema actually kakra. Into how are we coming up with this movie? Like saying they penetrate
with vim and vigor, because already scripted on our cast. All right, we have people like Kofi Ajololo representing, Moisha from Accra, Carly Boss, me myself, a lot of stars. Bella Samoa rapping. All right, there are a lot of stars rapping. We're combining both Kumasi and Accra and Takrady. We have this guy. Too much. Thank you very much. Too much. All right, too much and so around. You know that guy. All right, only the capabilities. You know, and you know we're combining like 3 or 4 regions, and it's not easy. Okay, for a producer to combine 3 or 4 regions, you know, meaning that he or she is well to do. And Tracy is ever ready to come up with something classic. And I'm so happy to be part of her movie, because the previous movies I wasn't part. But this particular one, upon going through my script and stuff, and upon going through the kind of road I'm going to play, I'm like, oh wow. But I don't want to tell you much. Trust, I don't want to.
We cast now a movie ma, and you've been a because was a banger and about. So just sit down, wait for that movie. It is coming out with Vim and Vigo Bra. Chia, I feel 412. But and come on, how many you near you?
Oh yes, I've come on the while I'm checking here and come Mr. Samuel Kosinya Meche Miracle Farms. Daddy baby will be a Michelle. On a mammy star. Yes. And through one lady view of Facebook, Anne, Princess Anne Gandhi, okay? Yeah, Anita, Michelle Bebre, and come on, my mama, papa, Mr. and Mrs. Boatin, and come on, Babs and Mitchell, but and come on, Babs. Yeah, all right, and my daughter, you know, and my fans, you know, what Ghana, and outside Ghana, you know, yeah.
Let now so Facebook, who's it in here day? The person me follow no.
Make up Babs, I want to me follow no.
The lady now so Facebook no.
Lady, do you have here? Oh, Facebook.
I'm person me follow no. Me di na.
Follow na here. Owu a oni never call nana, oni never call that kind of man. Anana never call see her.
Bra person.
You cannot follow her.
Bra person, we private car. Ono kwa ni twina de.
Oh, that be that bro George. Because I'm a girlfriend, me trying to more girlfriend.
Okay.
Somebody like because I'm a nigga, me trying to. I'm telling you, me trying to. I have a girlfriend, but it didn't mean to me fan to job.
Yeah.
What do I say? It's more fun is 33.
33.
10%.
Yeah, that brassy. So about Poleeno Multimedia. Thank you.
All right. I'm spend my super bro.
Zandi sorry. Okay, Castelo. Zandi. I thought you need to see the fan is bro. Yeah.
And I think Kiss is an I'm so privileged to work with Mr. Benson. I've worked with Mr. Joe before. I've worked with him before. My voice. One. My boyfriend is not good. But let me speak to you. Please, I beg you. So I'm so grateful to work with Mr. Wilson and all the big celebrities here. And I can't wait to work with them. I'm so grateful. That is why I drove all the way here. Thank you. This I promise you. I'm grateful.
Akuapem Poloo, so she's grateful. So Yabema media houses no question be Obusa Crew. Ubitimi Ebisa. Maybe your microphone back on. Yeah. Malenko Mibra NYDJ.
All right, good afternoon. I think so far.